I'm Cheri Castro, your host with American Dream TV, and we're here in Southwest Florida's premier destination in Sarasota, University Town Center. University Town Center Mall is part of the largest indoor-outdoor shopping and entertainment district on the Southwest Florida coast. University Town Center Mall is 2 stories of 125 retailers, 22 restaurants, and an area where style and lifestyle go hand in hand. But UTC is more than what's just inside these walls. Outside of these walls, there's 80 more restaurants, retailers, and entertainment venues here in Sarasota, showing you what the lifestyle is all about.
And speaking of great dining options, one of the hidden gems right here in the UTC district is Georgie's Garden Café. It's paired under the same roof with its modern sister concept, Bar George. Whether you're looking for a fresh brunch, craft cocktails, or a lively spot to gather with your friends, this venue captures the elevated energy that makes UTC one of the Sarasota favorite go-to destinations for day-to-night experiences. And the best part? This entire district is bursting with entertainment options year-round with a calendar full of family events, live music, food festivals, and outdoor adventures. There is truly never a dull moment here.
It's also home to the U.S. National Rowing Team, one of the world's premium training grounds, and the site of high-flying shows by Sarasota's own Flying Walendas. And when it's time to celebrate, there's nothing quite like the Lamborghini of Sarasota fireworks on the lake. It brings the community together with live performances, delicious food trucks, a kids zone, and fireworks finale that lights up the Sarasota sky. Whether you're looking for luxury shopping, exceptional dining, world-class sporting events, or a waterfront festival, Benderson Park and University Town Center has everything you need right here in Sarasota. I'm Cheri Castro, and this is your American Dream. We'll catch you at the next adventure.